Somerset County Recreation Parks and Tourism. Can you feel it? The holidays are almost here, and this week in Somerset County, you can take advantage of a ton of holiday open houses. One of those is going on all week right here, Priceless Flowers, Somerset Avenue in downtown Princess Anne. It's actually their 22nd annual holiday open house. You can find everything here to trim your home, to set your holiday table. Lots of great gift ideas. You've got stuff for indoors and outdoors. You're looking for a holiday wreath? They've got them artificial and fresh wreaths and fresh arrangements and flowers, perfect for the holidays. So if you are looking for something special, if you're looking for something unique, if you are looking for a way to just make the holidays shine at your home or business or office or grandmom's house or nursing home, wherever the place will be, this is the place that you need to check out all this week. The Priceless Flowers 22nd Annual Holiday Open House going on now through Saturday, okay? So we've got today, Tuesday, 9 until 4, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, open 9 till 4, and then Saturday from 9 to 1. And you are going to get 10% off all items excluding those fresh flowers, okay? So if you're looking for fresh flower arrangements, just need something, someone is sick, or you want to put together something wonderful, magical for the holidays, you can do it right here. Miss Lori and the crew, they are ready, willing, and able to help you out. Now we're talking about traditional decorations. Tons of Yankee candles, you see them in the background, tabletop trees, fresh and artificial wreaths, and so much more. Plus, door prizes, new Christmas ideas. This is the place to shop this week. Somerset Avenue, downtown Princess Anne. It is the 22nd annual Priceless Flowers Holiday Open House. And again, tons of fresh arrangements, tons of fresh wreaths available. If maybe you have an idea, maybe you come in, you don't see what you're absolutely looking for, just talk to Miss Lori. I guarantee she can point you in the right direction or definitely create something special just for you. They are on Facebook at Priceless Flowers. All the details are available. We've got the details on our website. That is visitsomerset.com. Also on our Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. So make sure to give us a follow and make sure to make your holidays shine when you stop by Priceless Flowers, their 22nd annual open house going on now through Saturday. Details available again, Priceless Flowers on Facebook and at visitsomerset.com. Happy holidays, shop local, support local right here in Somerset County.